Well, hello. Look. Blue skies and clouds. Hey guys, it's Robert Jones. I'm out in the garden. I'm in the backyard, whatever you want to call it. And we had quite a big storm over the last couple of days. So you can see there is a lot of stuff down on the deck today. And I just thought I would take you on the journey. Let me flip you around. So the journey is, we had some big limbs fall and punch holes in the deck. And lots of little limbs. So I just thought I'd take you on the journey today of doing some cleanup after the big storm. So I just have to say that I'm not comparing our story to anybody else's story. And when we had a neighbor die on Sunday during the windstorm, literally like 3 blocks from us, a tree fell in the house and smushed the poor guy. So this is not a comparative story. This is just my journey of cleaning up the house and getting stuff ready for guests again. It's just sad because we just cleaned everything on Saturday, and so I'm back out here again. So, all right, let's get started because that's what we do. And in case you're wondering, that's how much battery I got. So we just ran out. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let's go look at the back. Oh, it feels nice and clean. Just wondering, it's about 2 hours. Look at the forest. All right, you guys. So yeah, I feel much better. That only took about 2 hours. I'm just a professional. That's all. My hair is a mess, but whatever. Anyway, the deck is clean. I cleaned the whole front. I'll show you guys that. I think I already showed you that. But anyway, I filled the green bin completely to the rim. So I still have some more branches and stuff to cut up. But yeah, it's only Tuesday, so Green Bin Tuesday. Anyway. Hope you guys are well. I'm Robert Jones, living my best life in the storms of 2024 in California. Hope you guys are well. Take care. Bye.